my project today is I keep my solo skiff in here, so I want to mount the Hobie just above it. So let's see if these kayak racks will serve my purpose. I want the bottom to be about right there, so that's what it's going to look like. Here is the hardware that came with the kit. Okay, so these are on here really solid. Actually better than I thought they would be. So 3 screws, and I literally think I could hang on them. Of course, you got to go directly into the studs. But here's the strap I was telling you about. So once your kayak is on there, you can strap it in for a little extra security. Okay, taking it off, that was pretty easy. There's no issues there. A little bit after it's up, and it just falls right into the cradle, and it's not going anywhere. So yeah, these seams, they seem to be awesome with the Hobie, and I'm sure with a lighter kayak. I think it's going to work really good over the solo skiff on the wall. I even have room if I want to drop it about 10 inches, I can, and that would make it even easier to lift up on the rack. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. I think it's going to work fantastic. Here's the box that it came in. I'm very happy with this product. It is holding my quite heavy Hobie Outback just perfectly, and I think it will suit your purposes, whatever they may be. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have found it helpful.